The cabinet met this morning at 9 a.m. to take up various formal items. Uh, these include the consideration of the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy, amendment of the Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012, Meghalaya State Language Act 2005, Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2017, amendment to regularize the Meghalaya private universities, regulation of establishment and maintenance of standard amendment ordinance 2025. We also took up Meghalaya private colleges promotion and regulation bill 2025, Meghalaya private medical institutions including institutes and private university, regulation of admission, fixation of fees and reservation bill 2025, the National Law University of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2025, Meghalaya Decriminalization Amendment and Repealing of Provisions Bill 2025, amendment of the Meghalaya Shops and Establishments Act 2003, amendment of the Factories Act 1948, the Meghalaya Homeopathic Medicine Amendment Bill 2025, and also the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act Amendment Bill 2025. All these bills, with the approval of the Cabinet this morning, have now been introduced in the House and will be taken up for discussion and approval by the House within the current session. The Cabinet was briefed about the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy. As you will recall, the terms of reference of the committee was to study the current reservation policy and recommend modifications if necessary, to undertake wide-ranging consultations with all stakeholders and visit various locations of the state to solicit the views of all stakeholders. And this committee was headed by retired Justice Mool Chan Mark as chairman, and also had 4 other members who were part of this expert committee. The Cabinet this morning took cognizance of the report, the various recommendations, and has decided to immediately study the report. It's a voluminous, bulky report running into several thousands of pages. So we will take time to study the various recommendations, and we should be able to, after due diligence, then come up with a definite decision on the various recommendations.